Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about two new panels in Adobe Illustrator, Stroke and Transform. So let's start. The first window is Stroke panel. To open it, choose Window and choose Stroke. Now this panel is used for editing any stroke, like a path or a text. For example, I will choose Pen tool and make anything like this and choose only stroke and increase it. I can first increase the weight of stroke like this, and I can change the cap to boot cap or round cap like this for the end of any path, or make it like a rectangle. And I can also change the corners here to make it rounded like this, and I can align a stroke to the center, or I can align stroke to inside or outside, but in text. And I can also make it like dashed line, and I can change the space between only dash and another line from here. And you can make arrow like this. You have many arrows here like this in the end and in the start, and I can change the scale of the arrow, and I can align the position of the arrows like this, and I can choose the uniform of the line like this, and I can flip it. The second window today is Transform. From this window you can move, rotate, share, or you can make other things. For example, I will make a rectangle like this, and now from here I can move the rectangle like this. I have x-axis and y-axis, and I can change the width and the height, and I can rotate like this, and I can also make share, and from here you can change the rectangle width, like scale it, and you can click here to change only width, and you have here also rotate, and you can also make it rounded from the corners like this, and you can click here to change only one corner like this, and you can also choose scale corners and scale stroke and effects. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.